You buy the cute humidifier, then the tank is empty every morning. Or worse, cleaning it becomes a sink-side chore you keep avoiding. So this guide sorts humidifiers by room fit, refill rhythm, and the maintenance pain you're accepting. Match the room first, then refill rhythm, then cleaning tolerance. Prices and filters change, so check before you buy. Let's move. Number 1. Carepod One. If I were buying for a bedroom, this is the one I'd start with. It's a cool mist ultrasonic unit built around a simpler wash routine. The Levoit win is the breakdown. 5 pieces, with most pieces dishwasher safe. That means fewer weird corners stealing your weekend at the sink. For a side table or medium room, that matters more than another app icon. Now the trade-off is control. There's no humidistat, no Wi-Fi, and adjustments stay manual. The runtime is 10 hours, so I'd expect daily refills and regular use. Skip it if you want sit and walk away humidity targeting. Also skip it if you need the longest stretch between tank fills. Clean design wins here. Number 2. Levoit LV600S. Want the humidifier to make more decisions for you? I'd pick this over the Carepod if features matter more than cleanup. It gives you warm or cool mist, a humidistat, and VE sync app control. The runtime is 17 hours, so refills are less annoying than a nightly tank chore. That mix fits a buyer who wants more automation in a larger capacity setup. But the maintenance bill is paid in time, not money. Cleaning is the catch, with almost 20 components and no dishwasher-safe parts. So you're getting more buttons, modes, and control. You're also getting more pieces to hand wash. Skip it if easy cleaning is your top priority. I'd avoid it for anyone who already ignores sink chores. Number 3. Levoit Classic 300S. This is the smarter budget move if you want automation without the LV600S complexity. I'd use it in a typical bedroom or living room, not a big open layout. You still get cool mist, a humidistat, VE sync app control, and voice command support. The tank is 6.8 liter and the runtime is 38 hours. That means fewer refill interruptions, especially if you hate topping off appliances. The trade-off is output headroom. It has lower humidification capacity than the LV600S, so big open rooms are the wrong job. Cleaning also still asks for periodic hand washing. Some areas are harder to reach, which is annoying but predictable. Skip it for high ceiling spaces or sprawling main floors. I buy for convenience, not muscle. Number 4. Crane Droplet. Here's the tiny space answer, and I wouldn't pretend it's more than that. I put on a nightstand, shelf, or small bedroom setup. It's a compact cool mist ultrasonic unit with no humidistat. The runtime is 15 hours, so overnight use is the point. It also has auto off when the tank is empty, which suits forgetful routines. The trade-off is that compact size limits ambition. It has smaller capacity than the higher-ranked options, so larger spaces need another pick. You also give up the Levoit-style smart extras, including Wi-Fi and app control. The narrow tank opening can make careful scrubbing more frustrating. Skip it if you want automatic humidity targeting. I buy it only for small room simplicity. Here's the quick split. Pick Carepod One for the easiest wash routine and manual bedroom use. Pick LV600S for warm mist, cool mist, and app-based control. Pick Classic 300S for long runtime on a tighter budget. Pick Crane Droplet when the setup is small and simple. Before buying, map the workflow. Where will it sit? Where will you refill it? And where will wet parts dry? If cleaning feels annoying now, it won't magically become fun later. My pick is Carepod One for low-drama bedroom use. Choose LV600S for controls, Classic 300S for runtime value, and Crane Droplet for small spaces. Links are in the description.